everybody, and welcome to the sixth practice video for simplifying algebraic equations. So starting by multiplying out the first bracket, we have 2x times by 4, which is 8x, 2x times minus 3x minus 6x squared, and then we'll multiply out the last two brackets and keep their result within these yellow brackets. So 2x times by 1, 2x, 2x times by minus 3x is minus 6x squared, minus 1 times by 1 is minus 1, and minus 1 times by minus 3x is plus 3x. Then we'll write this out again, tidying up what's inside the yellow brackets. There's only one term with x squared in, but there are two terms with x in, 2x plus 3x, so that becomes 5x, and there's only one constant. Then we get rid of the yellow bracket by timesing everything inside by minus 1. So we have plus 6x squared, a minus 5x, and a plus 1. Then we can combine similar terms together, and we have two terms with x squared in them. However, one is minus 6x squared and one is plus 6x squared. So they cancel each other out, and we have no terms with x squared in the answer. The 8x and the minus 5x combine to give us 3x, and we only have one constant, which is plus 1, so that remains the same. In the next question, the first term, 6x, isn't multiplied by anything, so that stays the same. Then we multiply out the next bracket by timesing everything inside it by minus x. So minus x times by 2 is minus 2x, and minus x times by minus x is plus x squared. Then we're going to multiply out the last two brackets and put the result inside the yellow bracket. So we have x squared plus 2x minus 1x minus 2. Then if we tidy up what's inside the yellow bracket, we get x squared plus x minus 2. And then we can get rid of our yellow bracket by multiplying everything inside it by minus 2. So we'll have minus 2x squared, minus 2x, and plus 4. And then adding similar terms together, we have plus x squared minus 2x squared giving us minus x squared. 6x minus 2x gives us plus 2x. And the constant plus 4 stays the same. In the third question, we have three brackets. So we're going to solve this by multiplying out the first two brackets and putting that result in the yellow bracket, and then multiplying that answer by the third bracket. You can, of course, multiply these brackets out in any order and you'll get the same result. So you may want to try that. So multiplying the first two brackets together, we have x times x, which is x squared, x times 1, which is plus x, and then we have 3 times by x, which is plus 3x, and 3 times by 1, which is plus 3. Then tidying up the terms within the yellow bracket, we have x squared plus 4x plus 3. And then timesing what's in the yellow bracket by x plus 1, we have x squared times by x is x cubed. X squared times by 1 is plus x squared. 4x times by x is plus 4x squared. 4x times 1 is plus 4x. 3 times x is plus 3x. And 3 times 1 is plus 3. Then we can combine all the similar terms together. There's only one term that has x cubed in it, but there are two terms that contain x squared, so that becomes 5x squared. There are two terms that contain x, so that becomes plus 7x. And there's only one term that is a constant. The following question is very similar. So again, we start by multiplying out the first two brackets. So x times x is x squared, x times minus 5 is minus 5x, minus 2 times x is minus 2x, and minus 2 times minus 5 is plus 10. We can tidy up inside the yellow bracket by adding together the two terms that contain x, which gives us minus 7x. And then we can multiply this bracket by the bracket with x plus 1. So we have x squared times by x, which is x cubed, x squared times by 1, which is plus x squared, minus 7 times x is minus 7x squared, minus 7 times 1 is just minus 7x, plus 10 times by x is plus 10x, and plus 10 times 1 is plus 10. Then combining similar terms together, we only have one term with x cubed in it. We have two terms with x squared in it, which gives us minus 6x squared. We have two terms containing x, so we get plus 3x, and only one term that is a constant. And I'll go through one more question very quickly. X minus 2 times by x minus 3 gives us x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Then you can tidy up the yellow bracket by adding minus 3x and minus 2x to give minus 5x. Then multiplying out the yellow bracket with x plus 4, one term at a time, we get x squared times by x plus 4 gives us x cubed plus 4x squared. Minus 5x times by x plus 4 gives us minus 5x squared minus 20x. And plus 6 times by x plus 4 gives us plus 6x plus 24. And then finally, combining similar terms together, there's only one term that contains x cubed. There are two terms that contain x squared, which gives us minus x squared. There are two terms that contain x, which gives us minus 14x, and there's only one constant. So that's it for this video. Thanks ever so much for watching. I hope it's helping. Please hit the like and subscribe button to help me out too, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.